Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins and spins on TEMU using a mod. You don't believe me? Well, I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. It is super insane, guys, and this totally works. So let me just show you guys right here. This is the TEMU mod, and it says mod activated, add unlimited coins and spins. So I'm going to press OK, and now all I have to do is press add cash, and I can actually add it to my game. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's super cool, guys. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I currently have over 700,000 coins using my method. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So let's go into the video. And I'm going to show you guys how exactly you get this unlimited coins and spins. Alright. So first things first, guys, we need to visit this website called Zoo Mods, which has tons of mods for apps and games. Let me just type it in right here. So once you're on the website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in TEMU, and as you can see, it comes up. So all you got to do is go ahead and press on this, and you're good to go. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, it's really hard to get coins on spins on TEMU, guys. So be sure to try this out because it is fully working. And you can get a ton of coins using this method, guys, which is super awesome. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because I'm always trying to come out with new videos for you guys on how to get free coins on TEMU because the landscape is changing constantly, guys. So if you do want to have a leg up in how to get TEMU coins, I would recommend subscribing to my channel, because it is super cool and this actually works, guys. So as you can see, I have like over 700,000 coins, which is just wild, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool and it actually works as well. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. All you gotta do is go to Zoo Mods. You're gonna be all good to go. So be sure to try this out. It's super crazy. Just go to the search bar, type in TEMU, and you're going to be all set. So see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.